Hey everybody, welcome to DLD Drum School. Well, you weren't expecting this, were you? What on earth is happening? This is a drum video and there isn't a single drum kit in sight. Well, trust me, this is one of the most important drum tuition videos that you are ever going to see on the DLD Drum School, because we are going to introduce the idea of air drumming. So we have stripped away my beautiful friend, the drum kit that I've been relying on so much. I'm feeling a little bit kind of exposed and naked here, but that's kind of part of the process, okay? What do we do in a situation where we don't have access to a drum kit? And that is a very, very common situation because it is one of the biggest, most dominant physical sized instruments that is going, if not the biggest. So there are many, many situations where we don't either have access to a drum kit or we don't have a drum kit at all because they are very, very expensive. And very often we don't have room for one, even if we had the money for one. Now, the great thing about air drumming is that we can practice anytime, any place, in any situation. And I know this sounds crazy, but it is literally like 90% as useful as if you were on a physical drum kit. So how can that be? If this was any other type of lesson, piano, guitar, yeah, you need the instrument really to be able to practice effectively. But remember, drumming is so much about controlling the brain. Control the brain to be able to control the body. So I always say to my students, look, I understand it doesn't look great. It's not going to sound great. So probably maybe do this when nobody is looking, but we can do this wherever we like. So on a serious note, look at my setup position. I'm doing this standing up. In a moment, I'm going to show you how to do it actually even standing up. But I have still got my feet planted on the ground, the front of my feet. And with my hands, I am resting on my knees. So for most of our rhythms, we use the right hand on the hi-hat. We have the left hand on the snare, and we hit and hold with the bass drum pedal, okay? And that is what I'm going to work on. So let's bring back rhythm number 2. How would you say that on the screen? Bass and snare and bass, bass, snare and. And I'm sitting in the back of the bus, or I'm sitting in the back of my history lesson, or maybe I'm bored in a business meeting. Just make sure you don't get caught. But tapping gently, bass and snare and bass, bass, snare and. Hi-hat is tapping, left hand for my snares, right foot for my bass drum, bass and snare and bass, bass, snare and. And it's amazing what a difference this makes because I'm teaching my own brain, I'm working out the coordination. Any challenges that you may have had on a physical drum kit, you'll have those same mental challenges with the back of your brain telling you to do things that you don't want to do. And it's amazing how useful this is, so that when you do then get the opportunity to get on a real drum kit, you will really notice a huge difference. We can practice anywhere. My students get so fed up because I say, how are you doing with the practice? And I get loads of excuses. Oh, you know, I didn't have time or whatever. Air drumming, there is no excuse. We can practice anytime, anywhere, and it is really useful. Now, I've already mentioned that maybe it doesn't actually look great and it doesn't sound great, but do you know what? It's the kind of sign of a great drummer. You can spot drummers from 1,000 yards. They're tapping away, they're banging on tables, they're probably getting elbowed in the ribs by whoever they're with because they can't stop jiggling and banging. It's the sign of a great drummer, and we can really use this to our advantage. We say it doesn't look and sound great, but actually it can do. You know, offbeat snare drums. So it's actually amazing how you can bring those rhythms alive to your advantage from a practice point of view. You don't even have to be sitting down. If I stand up, I can do exactly the same in a standing position. I'm standing in the dinner queue. I'm waiting to whatever it might be. It's incredible what a difference it makes. The other great thing is use your imagination. You know, in my mind, when I'm playing, I am not really, you know, thinking about the tapping. I've got this big sound in my mind to help me bring my drumming alive in my imagination. So if I take something like rhythm number 2, if I play 4 bars in a row, in my head, it's going to sound like this. And maybe if I get a bit excited, I can add on drum fills. You know, seriously, use your imagination. It's like I've already said, make sure nobody sees because they're going to think you're as crazy as they think I am. But it really does work. Here's an imaginary drum rhythm with a fill on the end. Who would have thought it could sound so amazing inside my own head? Obviously, I'm having a bit of fun there, but you can really let your imagination go. And as I keep saying over and over again, trust me, it is literally 90% as good. Reinforcing those rhythms, reinforcing those techniques, reinforcing many of the techniques from a golden rules point of view. So when you get on that real drum kit, you will be amazed how many steps you have taken forward. Air drumming. It's the future. Whenever you don't have a chance to get on the drum kit, pick up your air sticks and play to your heart's content. So just to finish off, a couple of pointers. As crazy as it sounds, never forget the 6 DLD Drum School golden rules of drumming. Don't forget to mentally go through the checklist. Obviously, you don't really have a drum kit, but in terms of posture, it still all really helps in terms of our timekeeping and so on and so on. And the final thing is, try not to lose any friends or colleagues. As I've already said, it can be really annoying. So make sure you don't get detention in school. Make sure you don't get kicked out of that restaurant. Make sure you don't get fired by your boss, as I nearly once did. Totally true story. Keep on practicing. Keep on enjoying your drums. And remember, whether you have a real kit or air drumming, everything you do, do it like a drummer. We'll see you in the next video.